Say, YouTube, I need to apologize for something. I let my wife watch my video on my camp table, and she started laughing. I said, "What's the deal?" She said, "You sound like a hick." And as I got to watching the video, I realized that I sound like a hick. Now, I've been to college. Didn't graduate, but I went. So, I thought I would just put this out there and apologize to my one subscriber and any future subscribers that I will make an extra effort to try not to sound like a hick. I'll do what I can do. This is the old 300 prepper.